Tiny Tinkle's Little Musician Series presents, yay! It's my favorite note. Have you subscribed? We're learning the notes C, D, and E today. Are you ready? Let's play. Whose favorite note has a whisker line? Meow. C. Oh, what about this one? It's a little bit higher. Woof, woof. D, Daisy Dog. One more higher. Who could it be? Powoo! Here comes Ellie Elephant E. Oh, that's tricky. D, Daisy Dog's D. What could it be? C, Chloe Cat. Woof! Daisy Dog D. Meow. C. Powoo! Ellie Elephant's E. C, Chloe Cat. Powoo! Ellie Elephant E. You did it. Let's try C, B, and A in the bass clef. Let's play. Are you ready? Who has a whisker line? Meow. It's Chloe Cat C. One step below is the letter B. Roar, Brownie Bear. And one more lower. Who could it be? Jump, Ellie Alligator's A. Ooh, what's this one? Meow. C. What about this one? B for Brownie Bear. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Meow. Ooh, what about this one? Roar. B. Can you guess this note? Meow. C. Jump, Ellie Alligator's A. Howdy Alligator's A again. Yay, you did it. You found their favorite notes. More resources for little musicians at tinytinkles.com. See you next time.